Hi to all my dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, in this video, I'm going to explain to you about your product description assessment, which is your first assessment for academic writing. Okay, so let's have a look at the instruction here. Okay, imagine you are taking part in a science and technology competition, and in order to introduce the product to the audience who is not familiar with it, you are required to prepare a product description for it. Okay, so your description must contain the product's functions, appearance, operation or mechanism, specifications, and benefits. Okay, so your description must be within 190 to 210 words. Okay. Previously, I have mentioned to you the structure of the description, but today in this video, I'm going to recap in case we have forgotten. Okay. Basically, you are to produce 3 paragraphs. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So let's go through what are the components for each paragraph. Paragraph 1. Okay. Introduction. Please introduce the brand of your product, meaning that you don't only mention them as a vacuum, but come up with the name of the brand. This one you can just make up, or you can refer to remember the website that you have served before in class. Okay, so you can even use real brand names. Okay, no problem. Okay, explain the function of the product. What problem does it tackle? Okay, and why people need to buy the product. Okay, use verbs to describe what the product can do. Does it clean? Does it what else? Does it cook? Does it dry hair? Okay, does it what else? Depending on the product, right? Okay, so the key thing is to use specific verbs to describe what the product can do. Okay, next item that you can put in paragraph 1 is state who are the target users, or in what situation do you actually need to use the product. Okay, who will benefit? Is it meant for people working in a certain industry, or is it for housewives? Is it for young adults? Is it for YouTubers who are making videos? All right, so this is for your um, target reader analysis. Okay, who is the product meant for? Paragraph 2, okay, appearance of the product. Remember, we talk about the physicality of the product. Okay, you will talk about the shape, the color variety, if applicable, the weight and the dimension. Remember, your product description is technical in nature, so you have to be very specific about the appearance. You don't only mention it as something a big vacuum or a lightweight vacuum. You have to mention the weight so that people can have a clearer picture. Explain any key design elements that make the product special. Okay, if you're saying that it's lightweight, mention the exact measurement with the exact unit lah, millimeter ke. Alright, use adjectives to describe shape, color, cylindrical. Okay, maybe you can say this vacuum cleaner comes in cylindrical shape that can actually fit in small spaces. All right. Okay, and then you can also describe the mechanism. Okay, what is the basic mechanism of the product? If you're talking about vacuum, right, the main mechanism would be the air suction, right? Okay, so you can actually refer to any website. Try to explain in not really too technical nature. Okay, so that people from the semi-technical background can also understand you. Okay, and you may also include simple steps to use the product. Okay, and then the last paragraph is where you conclude by highlighting what are the specifications, what are the benefits of the product, okay, or maybe the uniqueness of the product. So you have all these 3 paragraphs, you have all these components. Should be no problem for you to score on content component. Okay, because when your assignment is marked, I don't only look at the language part, but there are a few items that I'm looking at: contents, your language, and the organization, whether your ideas are organized or not. Okay, so basically these are the things that will be evaluated. Okay, whether you have all this in each paragraph. Okay, so if you follow all these key elements, and then you have clear explanation, blah 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 blah. Okay, so that means you have come up with a good product description. All right, so this is the explanation for your product description assessment. I hope this helps you in preparing for the product description. All right, thank you so much. Bye.